Hi, Tim here with Clive Coffee. We're going to show you how to replace the PID on your Profitec Pro 700 or ECM Synchronika. If you're replacing your PID, you'll already have followed the instructions to remove the panels and remove your coffee boiler. That will give you access to replacing your PID. The tools that you're going to need for this is a small Phillips head and small flathead screwdriver. The screws that are on the PID and on the back of the machine are pretty small, so you're going to want the smallest sizes, about kind of this size here. You're going to find your PID here on the machine, and from the back you'll find two Phillips head screws. We're going to remove those two screws. With the screws removed, it gives you the ability to slide the wires through the housing, this plastic housing, sliding everything forward a little bit. Now I can slide the PID forward to the front of the machine, and taking the replacement PID that you've been sent, we can remove the plastic housing, removing the back two screws here. And you'll find an identical PID board and display. And at this point, what we're doing is swapping all of the wires exactly how you see them on your current PID over to the brand new PID. Using your flathead screwdriver, you will remove the wires up on the top here. There are 4 wires. Remember to remove them in the same order and replace them on your new board in the same order that you see them on your machine. So you'll replace the wires along the top here, the black and then the red. You'll place them into this top 2 left screws here. You'll undo and slide those 2 in, and then the next 2 black, red in that order. And then simply remove each pin that you see on the old board and place it into the same exact slots on your new board. Once you have everything swapped out, simply slide your PID back into place, slide the plastic housing, and your wires are already in the optimal configuration. You'll replace the 2 screws at the back, tighten the PID into place on the front of the machine. And that's how to replace the PID on your Profitec Pro 700 or ECM Synchronika. For videos on removing side panels and removing your coffee boiler, check out the links here. For more tech tips, check out our knowledge base at clivecoffee.com.